Hi, John Keel here, and I want to welcome you to the first of what will be monthly RD updates. You're probably aware that we try to schedule monthly calls with the RDs, and typically we get 60 to 75% of the RDs who schedule a call. And it was suggested to me last month that with the information that we go over on each of the calls, it would be kind of cool to get that out on just a regular basis in addition to the phone calls. So this is the first of those video updates, and I'm just going to go through what I went through with the RDs this last week, and that may have been with you on one of the calls. First of all, back in December, you'll recall that we, working with HS Works, updated or sent out for the first time the missing emails and missing cell phones for each of the clinics in your area. And we updated that list this time. We're going to be updating that on a regular basis, a monthly basis, so that you can be following up with your clinics. Because with the emphasis this year, or in 2013, on increasing patient revenue, both from new and existing patients, we, number one, need to get the emails, obviously, in. And then secondly, the cell numbers. Missing those cell numbers, we know we're not getting an accurate representation of what's happening with the wildfire program. The second thing is just this week I completed week 6 of 26 of the training updates, these 5-minute training update videos that we're doing on a weekly basis. I had, in talking with a couple of RDs, found out that they had not been receiving those videos. So let us know if you're not getting that. I've asked Ann to go back and double check to be sure that everyone's on the list. But anyway, enough on that. In terms of the HealthSource Clinic website, when I was at the Platinum meeting in Dallas I guess it was a week ago, Thursday night, we actually got final approval from Brian and Chris on the design. So Steve Williams and his team at HS Works, and we are working on getting that implemented ASAP. Definitely going to be done well before SuperCamp, but I think you'll be very, very happy. I know Brian shared at the recent Discovery Day in Cleveland sort of a preliminary look and feel. We now have the final look. Part of that also is, as you're aware, each individual clinic website will be separate. So we've been in the process over the last 2 weeks, actually. Ann and her team were setting up individual Google Analytics accounts and Google Webmaster accounts. These are just some of the tracking tools that we'll be using for each of those websites, and I think you're going to be pretty impressed with the way things shake out. In terms of reputation marketing, you should have already received, and I believe you already have received, an email for the Reputation Marketing Training Center. As I mentioned in the email, we've actually set that up, set one of those up for each one of the offices. They are personalized for the offices, so the doctors can implement that. I encourage you, I just got an email, I think Amanda Borey had already taken the test by the way, congratulations to her, she got 100% on the test. But to the extent that you can get that sort of PR'd out into the clinics, this is just another tool for them to use to, as I mentioned in the email, get all the team members up on the same page, because the issue as it relates to online reputation, you're only one patient away from a bad reputation. Let's see what else. The review webpage, we sent that stuff out in December, so each of the clinics has a personalized review page. That page, by the way, will be incorporated into the new clinic website design in terms of the correct look and feel, obviously. So that is going. Our concierge program, we have hired 3 people who will be, quote, concierges. We're kicking that off next week. Ann and Kathy have gone through about a 3.5 week training program with them, and they will be proactively reaching out to each of the offices. We're doing this across the board with all of our clients to move from what I call a reactive mode to a proactive mode, where they'll be in touch by phone with each of the clinics at least twice a month and be their main point of contact. I think that's pretty much it. The only other thing, the last thing I would say is that we're getting some good comments back from some of the offices on the additional Millionaire Smarts video training, or not video training, but teleseminar, not training, but teleseminar information and the special reports. So, and again, any feedback you have on that, would appreciate it. That'll be it for this time. Look forward to seeing you soon, and that'll wrap her up. Thanks a lot. Bye.